So now, after removing the bumper cover, we're going to go ahead and remove this is called the reinforcement bar. It's held on by, what is 14s or 13s, Rich?
That's probably 13.
The 13s, like BMW loves to use 13s. Like, who decided to wake up one day and go, hey, let's put 13 bolts on the car? Can they just use a 10, 12, 14? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each side. And we're gonna use our hand dandy gun. And we're gonna take this thing apart. One here. I mean, you could do this in your garage. We just have the luxury of having a lift. There we go. One there. One there. Alrighty. And we're gonna go ahead and label all the. I have more Ziplocs in the garage office.
Yeah. Well, okay. This will be for the front end of the car. The bumper cover stuff.
So, grab a friend to help you guys out. Make sure you don't rip the. Yeah. Make sure the plugs and everything doesn't get caught up in it. Let's slide this out. And there's a couple. I got it. Yeah. Nope. There's another bolt. There you go. The bolts will fall in there. You can pull them out. And that's how you remove the bumper reinforcement.